Good morning. Now I will show you how to enter board scores using Carrom Live app. Just before the match, you will receive a link to update scores and enter scores in your WhatsApp. Now you click on that link like this. Once you click on that link, the Carrom Live app for entering scores will open and it looks something like this. At this point, you and your opponent, with a referee or without a referee, will make a toss. Once the toss is done, let's say in this case a match between K. Srinivas and Prashant More. Prashant More has won the toss and decided to strike. So, in that case, one of you or the referee will take this app on your iPhone and simply slide this strike slider towards Prashant More, indicating that he is taking the first strike. Now, K. Srinivas has chosen to sit on one side of the board, which is the right side of the board. So you click the right radio button here, something like this. Now, how do you know which is right side or left side? There are indicators marked on the board already to let you know which is the right side of the board and which is the left side of the board. This is very important because when the scoring is reflected in the online streaming service, the streaming service need to know who is sitting on which side so that the score card is correctly presented on the YouTube streaming. Okay. So in this case, when you chose K. Srinivas is sitting on the right, automatically Prashant More is marked as sitting on the left. Now the YouTube stream will know that who is sitting on which side. So at this point, the game has just started. And then you are in the middle of the board, first board, and K. Srinivas has followed the queen successfully. At that point of time or the completion of the board, depending on if you have an empire or not, you can simply choose to update the score sheet using your phone that K. Srinivas has captured the queen successfully. Now, as the players continue to play and the board is now complete, and Prashant More has won the board with 4 coins of Srinivas remaining on the board. Even though Prashant More hasn't captured the queen, he has won the board with the 4 coins of Srinivas remaining. So you put the number of coins of your opponent remaining on the board against your name here and simply click on this green check box. Then the system will calculate the score and now it updates the board score to 4, which is this first board. Score is 4 and the total score Prashant More is 4 and then K. Srinivas is 0 at the end of first board. Once that is done, now you start playing the second board. So once you complete the second board, you simply click on add new board. Then follow the same process. If in this time Prashant More has pocketed the queen successfully, you capture his name under the queen here, and at the end of the board, let's say K. Srinivas has won the board with 7 coins of Prashant More on the board. Then at the end of the board again, you click on the green check mark there. Then the system will calculate the total scores. First the board score of 7. Then it will add this 7 to the previous board score of 4. Now the first board has one by Prashant More with 4 points and the second board by K. Srinivas with 7. So these are the total scores on the top row here. And these are the individual board scores here. Who won that board is appropriately shown against each other's name. So likewise, you continue to capture the scores here by selecting who has taken the queen and then appropriately making the scores here. You continue with the next board, then you're going to go capture who has put the screen in and then continue to do the scoring till the score reaches 25. Okay, now you do the same thing with the next board. In this case, now again K. Srinivas has won the board. So system is calculated now. As you see, the score is K. Srinivas 25, Prashant More is 14. At this point, you know that the match is complete. When the match is complete or that game is complete, as you see here, this is one game in the entire match. It's a best of 3 matches. Set 1, as we see it here. Under set 1, there are so many, they played 5 boards in which K. Srinivas won. Now there is set 2 and then there is set 3. Perhaps set 2 is won by Prashant More, then they will play the set 3 as the final set here. So you follow the same process for each and every game or set, whatever it may be, and for each and every board, just like I have shown you. One last word of caution: keep your phones charged at all the time. You should be able to connect to your phone so that you can retrieve the link with a data plan. There may or may not be a Wi-Fi given to you at the venue, so be prepared to have your phones connected to the internet. So once your game is complete, you simply click on this set complete. This is very, very important. Unless you click this set complete, then your match is not confirmed yet. That is very important. Now, one final thing. Let's say you guys made a mistake in board number 4, which you both agreed that you have to correct. Then simply go into this icon. This has to be done before you click set complete. Not after you click set complete, you cannot update the scores. So before you hit set complete, if you have figured that there is a mistake here in board number 4, you can simply go click on that and modify. In this case, let's say the mistake was Prashant More did not take the queen but K. Srinivas took it, or it's the other way around, but the board is taken by Prashant More here. So you can complete it like this. Again, you have to click on this green checkbox here. The score will be updated again. Now you also thought that the second board was a mistake. You can go back here, right? Then it was mentioned that you agreed that Prashant More won that board. This is not going to happen. I am just showing you so as an example that you can correct the scores. Now the score is 18 K. Srinivas versus 21. You corrected the score so that it reflects the right score. So at this point you want to continue to play like this, right? You can continue to play, then you play that board again. Let's say Prashant More took the queen and he has also won the board. In that case, he will reach 25 now after the board is calculated. Now he has won the match, and finally, if you both players agree that whoever has won the game, then simply click on this set complete. It asks you, say, should I submit? Once you do this, you cannot update the scores anymore. Okay, this is how you enter scores on the Carrom Live app. Good luck to all the players. Thank you.